Now back to the question. What's the difference between inner and outer planets? Number one, distance from the sun. Distance from the sun. Of course, and as you know, inner planets, nearest planets, nearest planets to the sun. And by the way, for this reason, called inner. Come from inside word. And second group as the distance, okay, farthest planets from the sun. So nearest planets to the sun, inner. Farthest planets from the sun, called outer. Come from outside word. Okay. Distance from the sun. Mercury only 0.39, only 0.39 AU. Mercury 0.39 AU. And if anyone don't know what are these letters refer to, those letters refer to astronomical unit, and astronomical unit AU equal yes 1500 millions kilometer. Okay, so Mercury 0.39, Venus 0.72, Earth 1 astronomical unit. So the distance between the Earth and the Sun, 1500 millions kilometer. Only one astronomical unit. So Venus equal 0.72 AU. No one ask me about this again. Earth 1 astronomical unit, and Mars equal 1.52 AU. Okay, so Mercury, the distance between Mercury, by the way, Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Mercury, the distance between Mercury and the sun, 0.39, Venus 0.72, Earth 1 AU, Mercury 1.52. Come to outer planets. Outer planets. First planet of the outer planets is Jupiter. Yes, the distance between Jupiter and the sun is 5.2 AU. What about Saturn? Saturn, yes, Saturn 9.54 4. Uranus 19.2 AU. Farthest planet from the sun, Neptune 30.07 AU. Now, is there a difference between them in distance? As you see, look at Mercury, only 0.39 astronomical unit. Look at the Jupiter, 5 astronomical unit, 0.2. Earth, only 1 astronomical unit. Look at Uranus, 19.2 astronomical unit. And also Mars, Neptune. So Mercury is the closest, nearest planet. Neptune, farthest planet. Okay, my dear students, this first thing. Number 2, size. So number one, look, distance. What about number 2? Number 2, size. Is there a difference between them? Yes, of course. What's the difference between them in size? First, Mercury is the smallest planet, nearest planet, and also smallest planet. Why, mister? Because it has only 4,879 kilometer. I'm talking about diameter, okay? So Mercury, Venus, quickly, Earth, Mars. Here, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. You will notice the difference now. So, Mercury, 4,879. Venus, 12,104. Earth, 12,756. Mars, 6,794 kilometer. Okay, so again, Mercury is 4,879. Okay, smallest planet. So this one is the smallest planet. Okay, I'm talking about the size, by the way. Then, what is the second planet of size, huh? Mars, not Venus. Okay, why? Because Mars 6,794, Venus 12. So Venus is bigger than Mars. And Venus and Earth, both of them 12,000, but Venus 104, Earth 756. So third, Venus, and biggest planet in the inner planet is Earth. Okay, so what is the biggest planet? I'm talking about the inner planets, not outer planets. Earth. On the other side, Jupiter. Jupiter has, look at the number, 1,400. No, it's wrong. It's 142,000. It's 142,984. And for this, Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Saturn, Second, 120,536. Uranus, 51,118. And Neptune, 49,528. So biggest planet in the outer planets, Jupiter, with 142,984 kilometers. Next, 120,536 kilometers, Saturn. Third, Venus, 51,118. Neptune, smallest planet in the outer planets. Okay, so Jupiter, here, Mercury, Mars, Venus, Earth, Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter. So here the smallest planet is Neptune, then Uranus, then Saturn, and the biggest one, Jupiter. From smallest to biggest. From biggest to smallest, number one, Jupiter. Jupiter bigger than Saturn. Saturn bigger than Uranus. Uranus bigger than Neptune. Neptune bigger than Earth. Earth bigger than what? Yes, Venus. Super. Venus bigger than what? Mars. Okay. Mars bigger than Mercury. Okay, so Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Earth, Venus, Mars, and Mercury. Okay, so this was second. Third structure. Inner planets. Inner planets and outer planets. Inner planets, they are rocky bodies. They have a solid surface. Outer planets are gaseous bodies. They are formed of gaseous elements. Like what? Yes, like hydrogen and helium. Okay, so like hydrogen and helium. Then density and atmosphere, because inner planets, all of them have an atmosphere except Mercury. Outer planets, all of them have an atmosphere. Last one, moons. Inner planets, Mercury and Venus have no moons. Mercury, Venus have no moons, while Earth has one moon. Mars has two moons rotating around them. So all inner planets only have two moons. No, yes, only have three moons. While here they have, I'm talking about outer planets, by the way, they have large number of moons rotating around each of them. Okay, thank you my guys for listening. Yes, next time we will talk about what are the characteristics that distinguish the planet, our planet Earth, from other planets for life on its surface. I'm talking about living organisms. But if you know the answer, write down in the comments. And for the students that will answer or will find the correct answer, I will bring a gift for him. Thank you again for listening, and waiting for your questions and for the answer for our question. for last time, what are the characteristics that distinguish the Earth planet from other planets for life on its surface? Goodbye.